Hey friends, if you wish to take a snapshot on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Now I'll do it and I'll show you what happens. Windows plus Shift plus S. It opens the sniping tool or the snip and snipe tool, whatever you want to call it. Now you can select a certain region, the region in which you wish to take a screenshot of, and now the screenshot is done. So you can open it and then you can print it, save it, you can edit it in Paint. You have a lot of options. You can also use a few tools to edit it here. For example, I can use this highlighter tool or this pen tool or any of these tools, the shape tool or something. I can also click on these three dots here. I can zoom it, I can print it, and I can save it. Let us say that I wish to save it to the desktop. Okay, so I will save it here. Okay, this is how I can save the screenshot. Let us see if it has actually been saved. Okay, this is the screenshot. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.